In this video, we are going to practice dividing polynomials using long division. We will work through 3 examples: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Let's begin. Divide x squared plus 7x plus 10 by x plus 5. Set up the problem with x plus 5 on the outside and the polynomial on the inside. Step 1 is divide. Take x squared divided by x, which gives x. Step 2 is multiply. Before multiplying, put a negative sign in front of the parentheses so subtraction works correctly. Now multiply x by x plus 5, giving x squared plus 5x. Subtract. The squared terms cancel. 7x minus 5x becomes 2x. Bring down 10. Repeat the cycle. Divide, multiply, subtract. Divide 2x by x, giving 2. Before multiplying again, place a negative sign in front of the parentheses. Multiply 2 by x plus 5, giving 2x plus 10. Subtract. Everything cancels, so the remainder is 0. The result is x plus 2. That completes example 1. Now let's try something a bit more involved. Divide 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 12x minus 5 by x minus 3. Place x minus 3 outside the division box. Start dividing. Take 3x cubed divided by x, which gives 3x squared. Before multiplying, put a negative sign in front of the parentheses. Multiply 3x squared by x minus 3, giving 3x cubed minus 9x squared. Subtract. The cubic terms cancel. Negative 7x squared minus negative 9x squared becomes positive 2x squared. Bring down 12x. Now divide 2x squared by x, which gives 2x. Before multiplying, place a negative sign in front of the parentheses. Multiply 2x by x minus 3, giving 2x squared minus 6x. Subtract. The squared terms cancel. 12x minus negative 6x becomes 18x. Bring down negative 5. Next, divide 18x by x, which gives 18. Before multiplying, put a negative sign in front of the parentheses. Multiply 18 by x minus 3, giving 18x minus 54. Subtract. Negative 5 minus negative 54 becomes positive 49. So the final result is 3x squared plus 2x plus 18 plus 49 divided by x minus 3. Now let's finish with a more advanced division, where we must include missing terms. Divide 4x to the fourth minus 5x squared plus 10 by x minus 2. Place x minus 2 outside the division box. Write the polynomial to include the missing terms. 4x to the fourth plus 0x cubed minus 5x squared plus 0x plus 10. Start dividing. 4x to the fourth divided by x gives 4x cubed. Before multiplying, put a negative sign in front of the parentheses. Multiply 4x cubed by x minus 2, giving 4x to the fourth minus 8x cubed. Subtract. The quartic terms cancel. 0x cubed minus negative 8x cubed becomes positive 8x cubed. Bring down negative 5x squared. Next, divide 8x cubed by x, giving 8x squared. Before multiplying, place a negative sign in front of the parentheses. Multiply 8x squared by x minus 2, giving 8x cubed minus 16x squared. Subtract. The cubic terms cancel. Negative 5x squared minus negative 16x squared becomes positive 11x squared. Bring down 0x. Now divide 11x squared by x, giving 11x. Before multiplying, put a negative sign in front of the parentheses. Multiply 11x by x minus 2, giving 11x squared minus 22x. Subtract. The squared terms cancel. 0x minus negative 22x becomes positive 22x. Bring down 10. Now divide 22x by x, giving 22. Before multiplying, place a negative sign in front of the parentheses. Multiply 22 by x minus 2, giving 22x minus 44. Subtract. 10 minus negative 44 becomes positive 54. Therefore, the final answer is 4x cubed plus 8x squared plus 11x plus 22 plus 54 divided by x minus 2. This concludes our lesson about dividing polynomials using long division. If you found this helpful, please subscribe.